It's summer!
Many of us will be going away on our holiday, so here are some tips and tricks. Your suitcase going missing can be a recipe for holiday hell, but here's Paul with a top tip to keep you on track.
The airlines lose suitcases all the time. They aren't normally publicized, but I think the best way to keep them safe and accounted for is by using one of these AirTags. They are available to purchase from the Apple Store, and you could buy one or a pack of 3 or 4. Another good way to ensure that your suitcase will get to you is to also write down your name, flight number, contact information like your mobile and also email address, and then you would write down the hotel as well as the address of the hotel, so that in the eventuality that they do find it for you, you could say that you did have a sheet of paper in the suitcase with all those details so that they could return your luggage back to you. So isn't that a really good idea? Here's Marcus with 6 essential tips for when you go on holiday.
Number 1. Buy travel insurance as soon as you book. Rather than waiting until your holiday start date, buying an appropriate policy when you make your reservation means that you'll be covered for situations that may threaten your holiday, such as a medical issue. Number 2. If you're going abroad, have the contact details of the nearest embassy or consulate in case you need assistance. Write down their phone number and address. Number 3. Check you have a supply of any prescription medications you take to cover the full length of your stay, including a bit extra for unforeseen circumstances while away. Number 4. Make photocopies of any important documents such as your travel insurance, tickets, hotel accommodation and prescriptions. Number 5. Buy some travel-sized padlocks. Use them on your suitcase while in transit and at your accommodation. If there's no safe in your hotel room, you can lock valuables inside your case. Number 6. Don't overpack. I'm guilty of this myself and usually come home with some unworn clothes. There's a saying, pack twice the money and half the clothes. You can always buy a cheap t-shirt or pair of socks. Too few power plugs in a hotel room can leave you feeling lacking in energy, but Paul has the solution.
Here is a tip and trick for you. Sometimes hotel rooms do not have enough charging sockets. So if you are in need of extra plugs, we would recommend bringing an extension cord just like this, so that you could plug it into the wall with one converter and then plug in 3 different sockets for one full charge. Don't get caught spying on someone's YouTube channel. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Paul and Marcus.
Well, we've all got our mobile phones with us now, haven't we, Paul? Our smartphones.
Absolutely.
And there are some really good travel apps. Now, depending where you are will depend maybe what type of app that you download, but for us, our essentials are the British Airways app, first of all, because we book most of our flights through BA because we get the best offers, and we like to build up lots of Avios, and we've got some flights for just £1 by paying with Avios as well. And we normally fly out of Heathrow Airport, so we've got the Heathrow Airport app, and it's a great source of information. It gives you live flight information, and it also gives you ideas about shopping. And talking about live flight information, here's a good one for wherever you are. It's the Flight Radar 24 app, and all you need to do is to put in your code of the flight that you're on, and it'll bring up all the live flight information, including where the aircraft is before you board it. So if it's an incoming flight, you can track it by using the previous flight number. So you can just find that out on your airline's website, and then you can find out where that aircraft is and track it coming in, so you can find out when it might be leaving to take you back to your destination. Well, we hope that today's episode has given you some top tips and tricks when you go travelling this summer, or any time of year for that matter.
Yeah, absolutely. For those of you that have liked today's episode, give us a thumbs up. For those of you that have not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button. And for those of you that want to leave a comment, you can do so as well.
And if you'd like to buy us a coffee to help us along the way, there is a link in the description. Well, the sun's coming out now, so we don't even need to go on holiday, do we, Paul?
Yes, we do.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.